The wait is over, the global takeover has begun. 800,000 users, 200,000 plus mining in real time, $206 million raised. This is not just another blockchain project, it's a movement. For the first time, you can see the revolution happening worldwide. From Tokyo to Toronto, Lagos to London, BlockDAG is everywhere. Bold text, 72 hours, 2 milestones, 1 turning point. The countdown to history has begun. Milestone number 1, the BlockDAG Testnet is going live. Not a demo, not a teaser. A fully functional Layer 1 network built for speed, scalability, and real-world use. No more speculation, just proof. Milestone number 2, the Keynote 3 premiere. Forget boring Zoom calls or basic slideshows. This is a Hollywood-level production, crafted to inspire, to educate, and to declare that BlockDAG isn't just a technology, it's a revolution. Right now, the BDAG 800 bonus is still available. A 400% bonus on every purchase. Buy $1,000, get $5,000 in BDAG. Buy $10,000, get $50,000. But once the testnet launches, the window closes forever. Every revolution has a moment of no return. For Bitcoin, it was 2017. For Ethereum, 2020. For BlockDAG, that moment is now. This is more than technology. It's a living, breathing network growing by the second. A movement anyone, anywhere can join. The choice is simple. Will you be part of history, or will you just watch it happen? Subscribe for behind-the-scenes updates. The future starts now.